We're looking into the housing market tonight. You may be experiencing some sticker shock as you receive property appraisal notices. Experts say the average increase in home appraisals across.
This is a notice of appraised value from the Nueces County Appraisal District. This document basically shows you how much your property is worth. Now, you've probably seen something like this come in the mail as property valuations have skyrocketed. But the biggest concern for homeowners is, why is it so high?
We need to give the taxpayers in this community a break.
Although Mike Polsey is a city council member here in Corpus Christi, he's also a homeowner and says he was worried when his property value went up $138,000 this year.
Well, it's like everybody else. It's disappointing.
He also has other properties that have increased more than $100,000.
My wife and I own a rental property in Northwest Corpus Christi. It went up $128,000. So those are the kind of valuation increases that people across the city of Corpus Christi are seeing now.
But he's not the only one seeing a jump in their appraised value. Good thing for other homeowners, they're only seeing an increase of $50,000. But those are the lucky ones. So the question is, what's behind this rise?
Supply and demand, if there's a housing shortage.
And with appraisal districts, they determine market value appraisals and administer exemptions.
Local jurisdictions like cities and counties generally shouldn't be raising their revenues by more than 3.5% on existing properties. And so to the extent that values are going up a lot more than that, then we should see property tax rates coming down. And so the tax bill shouldn't be going up by as much as the value itself.
But there are several things homeowners can point out when trying to appeal their appraised value.
Individual homeowners should be focused on what is the fair market value of their home. Is the value increase justified? Or are there issues related to our homes that maybe the assessor isn't aware of, such as deferred maintenance or things that are not ideal?
Also, it's important for homeowners to check appraisal notices to ensure all exemptions are in place, especially homestead exemptions, which are protected by the state. For many homeowners, exemptions could remove thousands of dollars when it comes to calculating property taxes. There are other exemptions like those for disabled homeowners, senior citizens, and veterans. If you are looking to appeal your property value, just go to your local tax appraisal district. We'll have more information on how you can prepare on christv.com. In Corpus Christi, Alexis Scott, KRIS 6 News.
All right, and Mike Pusley has proposed the city increase the homestead exemption from 10% to 20%. He says every city larger than Corpus Christi in the state of Texas has already done so to provide relief for homeowners. Now, if this measure were to be approved by City Council, it would cost the city just over $9 million. Money Pusley says can be trimmed from the $1 billion budget.